Do you find yourself coughing more at night? It could be due to sinusitis. Let's uncover why this happens and how you can finally get relief. Sinusitis inflames your nasal passages, causing mucus to build up. When you lie down, gravity sends that mucus dripping down your throat, triggering a persistent cough. Common triggers: postnasal drip, dry allergies, and infections. A sinusitis cough can disrupt your sleep, leaving you exhausted the next day. But don't worry, there are ways to ease the irritation. Try these simple remedies for a peaceful night's sleep. Steam therapy. Inhale warm steam to loosen mucus, hydration. Drink plenty of fluids to thin secretion. Elevate your head. Keep mucus from pooling in your throat. Nasal sprays or saline rinse. Clear congestion. If your cough won't go away or worsens, it may be time to see a specialist. A doctor can help find the best treatment for lasting relief. We trust this video provided valuable insights. Remember, you can always contact one of the healthcare professionals in the allergy department at Enticare if you have any questions.